In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to subtract fractions with a fraction strip. So the fraction we're going to start out with is 5 over 6 minus 3 over 6. And we're going to use what is called a fraction strip, also known as a model or area model. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw a long rectangular figure. This is our strip. And let's remember our denominator tells us how many parts is in this strip. So we have 6 as our denominator, and we're going to cut this strip into 6 equal parts. So here we have a little part that is a little unequal. So we're going to clean that up a bit. Now, our numerator tells us how many of these parts are shaded. So our numerator is 5. So we're going to go ahead and shade in 5 of the parts. Shade in our first one, second one, third, the fourth, and the fifth part. So out of these 5 shaded parts, we're going to subtract 3. We're going to put an X over 3 of the shaded parts. Now, once we do that, our answer is the remaining shaded pieces, which are 2. So 2 out of the 6 is our answer. There is a part that is unshaded, and that is something that we do not worry about. So disregard the part that is unshaded. So 5 over 6 minus 3 over 6 is equal to 2 over 6. Now we're going to start with a different fraction to reinforce everything that we just learned. We're going to start with a new fraction, which is going to be 3 over 5 minus 1 over 5. The first thing we're going to do is draw our fraction strip. We're going to identify our denominator, which is 5. And this denominator tells us how many parts we're going to have in our fraction strip. So we have 5 equal parts. Then our numerator is 3. So that tells me how many times I need to shade in each part. We're going to have 3 parts shaded in. Now we're going to subtract 1 of the shaded areas. And the remaining shaded areas that are left is our answer, which is 2. So 2 over 5 is our final answer. Okay, let's remember we don't worry about the unshaded parts. And always remember the denominator remains the same.